to my channel. Today we're taking a little detour from the beauty world. We're gonna be doing arts and crafts because we're all stuck at home right now. What better to do than some DIY projects, am I right? So if y'all haven't seen yet, there's this super cool new app called TikTok. Little bit of an inspiration behind this video. Everyone is tie-dyeing on there because tie-dyeing is back, it's in. Taylor, my roommate, and I went to Target and we bought lots of things. So we've got sweatshirts, sweatpants. I got 2 extra large t-shirts just to wear to bed. We also pulled some white clothing items from our closet, as if this, wasn't enough. We've got a lot of things to work with. We've got the tie-dye here. Target's running out of tie-dye because I guess everyone got the same idea. Everyone's just as bored as we are. So we got what we had. I think you got these from Walmart, right? We've got Bleach. This is specifically toilet bowl cleaner. We also have regular bleach. So we're gonna play around with both of those, I think. And then we found this tie-dye festival blanket. This was like the only tie-dye that Target had left. They were literally sold out of everything else. So I think we can work with this. It has like more pastel colors, so I think it'll be a good option. This, you guessed it, is a wee wee pad because someone used that in a video and that was a great idea because it traps liquid. Like, it's a great idea. So we picked up, or Taylor picked up, this pair of black leggings. Not expensive. We figured that since we really don't know what we're doing, that we would just go ahead and play around with these. Play maybe different patterns before we get into the stuff that we actually want to turn out really well. We'll try the gel bleach because some people watched a lot of YouTube videos. Some said that this worked better. I'm excited. This is gonna be really fun. Okay, so we're pouring the liquid bleach that we had in my toilet bowl cleaner that was empty, so that we kind of have more of like a controlled, yeah. Now we have the liquid bleach in here, so now we're gonna try to work with both of them. Yeah, looks great.
Looks great.
Looks so good. Great. Now, you want to try the liquid on this side?
Yeah.
Oh, also, we should probably be wearing gloves doing this. But it's called living life on the edge. Now we wait. All right, scrunching. Here we go. Oh,
it's starting to change.
yeah. It's starting to rust. Looks great. That's cool. How that's changing.
So that was the regular. This is the gel.
Yeah. Ooh. Rotate. That's cool. It's gonna look really
like a burnt orange.
I know, it changes. It's so weird. I know, that's cool. Now we wait. All right, we're gonna take one side out here. So basically, the thing to do is put bleach on more coverage than you think. Okay, so now that we know how we're doing the black ones, we want to go ahead and do our white stuff, the fun colored ones, because we feel like the white, it is going to. It's going to take longer than the black. The black, as you can see, doesn't take much, very long at all.
Want me to just prep them all?
Yeah, so we have to add, so these are all the dyes that we have. So we have to what, add water? Does it say how much water?
Fill it to the neck, all the way.
Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Woohoo. The whites! This is the fun part. This is what I'm very, very, very excited for. So we're gonna do the ones that we care less about. Yeah, maybe I should do my white t-shirt too. Because this one is I could actually potentially wear.
Really cute. This to me is I bought it for $2 and it is what it is.
I got an extra large so I can wear it to sleep.
I might crop mine. We'll see how it comes out.
It's hard. The scrunching is a skill in itself, man.
I know. That's what mine looks like. Scrunch.
Great. Looks good. Oh, it's hard because it's not hard, which makes it hard.
I know.
Here is my nice little ball of fire. Here's Taylor's. Stay tuned. Now what?
Do we do light colors first or dark colors?
Light.
Light colors
Light
first. Okay, do you want yellow?
Yeah, let's start with yellow. All right, guys, here we go. Jeez, man.
Whoa,
I know.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Running away!
We got a runner. Oh my god, this is gonna look correct.
I know. I'm so excited. Ooh, that's a beautiful blue.
I know. This is the regular
I might
blue.
do my whole white sweatshirt with that blue.
Yeah, it's really pretty. This is actually teal. That's what this color
That's
is.
why I like it so much. It's my favorite color. All right, guys. I think we're calling it on this one. So we'll see how this one turns out. Put it in a bag, right?
Yeah. Night-night.
Night-night. So it goes in a baggie. And we wait forever for those. Next up, the tank.
So I think this one I'm actually gonna attempt a semi-swirl.
All right, it is what it is. All right, this is the one I'm like really excited for. It's just gonna be teal, because teal's my favorite color.
Okay, this one worked out a little bit better.
Are you swirling that
Yeah,
one?
I got
Yeah,
a
it's gonna
good
be great.
swirl on
Yeah.
that.
Should I do sleeve with it, or should I do the sleeve separate?
I would do sleeves separate.
Okay. It's hard. Oh my God, do it again.
You know what? I think I'm gonna swirl it in the back because the swirl comes out better on the opposite side.
Does it really?
Yeah, you'll see.
4 hours later.
It's a workout, I know.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hope for the best. Blue it is. Okay, update. We finished all of our white. It is over here, chilling. I'm excited about these. These are gonna be really fun. So now we're moving on to our black sweatshirts, and mine are on the floor. So we're gonna, readjust. We're moving on to the black now. We're gonna bleach them. Look at my hands. This is so bad. I forgot to wear gloves and then it got all on me. It's fine, it's cool, it's fine. Oh my God, I literally have it on my chest.
Alright, I'm gonna let that sit and see what happens. Why not put more on there?
Why not? So with these are the pants. I'm going to scrunch it from the side rather than the front so that we get the front in it. Putting a lot of bleach on this, baby. Good thing about the bleach though is you can take it out right away and you can add more if you need to.
Yeah, exactly. You can kind of see where you're at.
I could probably take this one out.
Yeah.
This one's probably like done, right? Let's see what it looks like. Kind of cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Definitely looks like a guy's shirt.
Yeah.
We have so many cool new clothes. Oh, those are cool. I like those a lot.
Yeah, those came out cool.
Yeah, those are really
I think
cool.
it needs a little bit more on the side over here.
Mm-hmm. Right, let's see what this one looks like. Everything smells like bleach.
Yeah, it smells.
Oh, this is cool. The sleeves are cool.
I think you put a little bit more.
More on the front. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It looks like there's so much on there, and then when you pull it apart, it's like
I know, it's
not
like
that
nothing.
much.
I know, it's really weird. Okay, this is the last one.
Came out
Cool.
cool.
Look at the front.
Yeah, it came out really good.
I'm gonna take the hoodie out. It's like still like soaking in bleach. The trick, guys, is more than you think. Cool. Yeah, that one did really well.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take these upstairs and throw them in the washer. No soap, just water. All right, in we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm all in together.
Yep.
Okay, what are we washing on? All right, we're doing cool setting, and then we're doing light colors. All right, they're going in the dryer now. Perfect. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's this one. This one's my favorite, by far. This one came out so cool. Like, tell me this doesn't look like a designer sweatsuit. Can you come up here so you match us?
Come on.
Oh, yeah. We match. Oh, Pooper. Pooper Scooper. We did these to match the dog.
That's all we care about.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, say we're your real mamas now. Yeah. You want to be a part of this? You gonna stay there? You gonna stay right there? Okay, so now the fun part. I'm so excited. I'm literally so
I know,
excited.
Which one should we open first? I think I'm gonna go white t-shirt.
Okay.
That was the first I put in.
All right.
This looks crazy.
Yeah, this looks crazy.
And it's still wet.
Is it?
It's been like 12 hours. and
Yeah, no, it's been way longer than 12 hours. It's been 24.
Oh yeah, it's almost been 24
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, cool.
That came out cool.
Very cool. I like how it's like darker over here
Yeah.
and over here. No, not
And
for
the
you.
same on the back.
Oh my God, that's awesome. awesome.
Yeah, it came out
No,
really
there's not a lot of white. I
No,
think
it
it's
actually looks
perfect.
cool like
yeah.
that, yeah.
Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do my turtleneck. Very summery. This one's cute.
I like it.
All right, I'm gonna do my white t-shirt here. God, the white is so hard to cover. The back came out more than the front. Which one was this?
This was the
Oh, you did the
green
swirl.
shirt that
Yeah.
I attempted the swirl on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That one's saturated. Oh my god. That's awesome.
That came out great.
Look at that. Yeah, that came out so
Oh my
well.
goodness.
That
That's a
one-
good technique though.
Yeah,
You
it
get a
is.
colored shirt.
That came
That's
out
cool.
awesome. Yeah, that came out super cool. The swirl is cool.
The swirl came out
I
cool.
like the swirl.
It's
Yeah.
not super swirly. It's
Right. No, I like the swirl.
tie-dye-y.
All right, this is my last one. This is my blue one.
That's a good one.
This is the most I'm the most
I'm
excited
pumped
about
about
this
that
one.
one.
Yeah. I hope I covered it enough though, because I don't know. I'm getting a lot of white still. I think it's just the scrunching technique. It's just
Very
hard.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's a great one.
This is my favorite color too. It looks tie-dye, but it's not like classic tie-dye.
No,
you know what I mean?
it's like the new age of tie-dye.
Yeah.
How like the designers are doing it.
Uh-huh.
It's
It's cool. I like this one a lot.
This is the sunburst tank.
Okay.
That's like saturated right
Okay.
now. This was also an attempted swirl.
Oh, did you?
Attempted.
Okay.
Not as good as this one.
Keyword attempted. Oh man.
Whoa!
Yeah! It came out
Hell yeah! This came out great.
Came out super cool. Look at
Oh
it!
my gosh, I did it!
Yeah. Was that a white one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Totally saturated.
Wow.
That one's really cool.
Attempted.
Yeah.
Happened. Alright, and this is the pink, all pink two top. So I think I left more white on this one, so it should be interesting. Oh, this is cool too.
Yeah, that one's really cool too.
Woo.
Oh my god.
It's
Where's
this
the
one.
front? Yeah, that's the
There
front.
we go.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah, they
Great
came out
summer
really cool.
top.
I know. With jean shorts, yeah, super cute.
Cool.
Yeah, they came out really well. I don't know, I might put a little more pink on this one. Do we have any more pink? Do we have
Yeah.
light pink? I just got, yay! Is this a light pink?
Yeah.
I just got nervous about putting too much and having everything blend, but it really, you do have to put more
I
than
think more than
You
more,
think?
the more the better.
Yeah. All right. So after doing a few more touch-ups on my two white ones, it's been another 24 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and open them now. We'll see what these look like. This is better. This is cool. Cute. All right. I have a lot of faith in this one. I did a little bit of a swirl on this one, so we'll see. Whoa!
That came out really cool.
I like this one a lot. Basically, we decided, I think it has to do with the fabric. It's faded, like you can see the back, definitely faded way more than when I first took it out.
Same.
I did what the internet said, and the internet's accurate, obviously.
Yeah.
So, but this one, that's one of my favorites, that neon.
This also faded too.
And it also started out as a neon t-shirt.
Yeah.
So that's an advantage, but it still looks really cool. I think my favorites are the sweats, the bleach sweats.
Oh yeah, those came out
I
amazing.
think those are the coolest. This was definitely less of a tutorial because we didn't know what we were doing. More of just to come along with us, experiment right along with us. So this was fun. Follow me on TikTok. We're gonna be wearing these in our TikToks along with everyone else. So any final words? Do you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Good, that's all that matters.
My hands are still dyed.
Oh yeah. Actually,
And you will be for a while.
Yeah, the blue kind of came out.
Oh, good.
Which is good. That's it. Stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys. See you in the next one.
Like and
Bye.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe.